Imagine needing to open a celebratory drink, only to find your trusty bottle opener completely useless. This frustrating household hurdle can be swiftly overcome with a few ingenious common household items. Bottle openers, though seemingly simple, endure significant stress with every stubborn cap. Their metal teeth can bend, pivot points loosen, or handles simply snap under constant pressure. Many people instantly discard these small tools, rushing to buy a brand new replacement. However, quick DIY repairs prevent unnecessary waste and save precious money instantly. Learning these accessible fixes empowers you to tackle minor household annoyances confidently and efficiently. You'll discover how readily available materials transform a broken tool into a fully functional one. This approach fosters a resourceful mindset, reducing reliance on constant consumer purchases. Understanding basic tool mechanics vastly extends the lifespan of everyday household items. Even seemingly irreparable damage often hides a straightforward and satisfying repair solution. Prepare to view your broken gadgets not as trash, but as exciting opportunities for quick restoration. Most often, a bottle opener fails because its metal gripping teeth become bent and misaligned. This prevents a secure purchase on the cap, leading to frustrating slips and potential spills. To correct this, place the bent tooth against a sturdy metal surface, like a vice jaw. Gently tap the back of the tooth with a small hammer, slowly reforming its original curve. Carefully reshape the metal until it perfectly nestles under bottle caps once more. Ensure each tooth regains its sharp, defined edge for maximum leverage and grip. But what if the opener's entire structure feels loose, lacking its former sturdy grip? Lever-style openers often develop a wobbly pivot joint, drastically reducing their leverage. This lost rigidity makes opening bottles a cumbersome and incredibly frustrating experience. You can tighten this by placing the rivet head on a hard, flat surface, like a solid anvil. Using a center punch and hammer, gently expand the opposite side of the rivet. Apply controlled, light taps until the joint feels firm and responsive, restoring full function. Test the opener's action repeatedly to ensure consistent, reliable performance after adjustment. However, some tools suffer from a far more visible and seemingly irreversible type of damage. If your opener's handle is cracked or completely snapped, don't despair. It's still salvageable. Strong electrical tape or robust paracord can effectively rebind and reinforce the handle. Wrap tightly, overlapping each layer, creating a new, comfortable, and incredibly durable grip. Ensure the tape covers all sharp edges and provides ample cushioning for your hand. For a more permanent fix, use a two-part epoxy adhesive to bond broken pieces securely together. Apply the epoxy generously to both surfaces before firmly pressing them into alignment. Clamp the pieces securely and allow the epoxy to cure fully for maximum strength. But what if the handle is entirely gone, leaving only the bare metal opener piece? Sometimes the original handle is beyond repair, leaving just the functional metal opener head. This presents an exciting opportunity to craft a custom handle from readily available materials. Consider a sturdy piece of wood, a thick dowel, or even a robust PVC pipe as a base. Drill a pilot hole into your chosen material, precisely matching the opener's attachment point. Secure the metal head with small screws, strong adhesive, or even a tight metal band. Ensure the connection is incredibly robust, as this new handle will bear all opening forces. This not only rescues the tool, but often creates a more comfortable, customized, and unique opener. Such ingenuity proves that resourcefulness truly triumphs over waste every single time. Mastering these simple fixes provides far more than just a functional bottle opener. It cultivates a profound mindset of self-reliance, reducing reliance on constant consumerism. Think about the significant environmental impact. Fewer discarded tools means less landfill waste. Each repaired item contributes to a greener planet, conserving resources and energy effectively. Economically, these accessible repairs save you money directly, avoiding unnecessary replacement purchases. Over time, these small savings accumulate, freeing up funds for other important priorities. Beyond financial benefits, there's immense satisfaction in repairing something with your own hands. You transform a broken object into a usable item, extending its valuable lifespan significantly. This sense of accomplishment boosts confidence, encouraging further exploration into DIY projects. The skills learned here are widely transferable to other minor household repairs and adjustments. Imagine confidently tackling a loose door hinge or a wobbly chair with newfound expertise. These accessible skills empower you to approach other minor household annoyances with competence. Ultimately, quick DIY fixes promote sustainability and a deeper connection with your belongings. Embracing repair culture transforms problems into opportunities for learning and ingenuity. It's a powerful shift from passive consumption to active, empowered maintenance of your world. From bent teeth to broken handles, reviving a bottle opener is often just minutes away. Embrace these simple, cost-effective solutions and never let a broken opener spoil your plans. For more ingenious DIY fixes and practical home hacks, hit subscribe and share your favorite repair tip below.